Ever felt overwhelmed by projects, tasks, and deadlines? You're not alone. And if you're looking for a tool to help you organize, manage, and collaborate on your work, you might have come across Wrike. But what exactly is Wrike similar to? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Project Management Giants. Asana. Known for its clean interface and intuitive features, Asana is often compared to Wrike. Both platforms offer similar core functionalities like task management, project timelines, and team collaboration. However, Asana might lean more towards a Kanban-style board approach, while Wrike offers a more flexible layout. Trello. Another popular choice, Trello is known for its visual appeal and card-based system. While Wrike offers a more comprehensive suite of features, Trello might be a better fit for smaller teams or those who prefer a simpler, more visual interface. Section 2. Collaboration Tools. Monday.com. Renowned for its customizable workflows and built-in integrations, Monday.com is a versatile collaboration platform. Both Wrike and Monday.com offer features like document sharing, real-time communication, and resource management. However, Monday.com might be more focused on building custom dashboards and workflows. Basecamp. A classic project management tool, Basecamp emphasizes simplicity and communication. While Wrike offers a wider range of features, Basecamp might be a good choice for teams looking for a straightforward, no-frills approach. Section 3. Work Management Suites. Microsoft Project. A heavyweight in the project management world, Microsoft Project is often used for large-scale projects and complex workflows. While Wrike offers a more user-friendly interface, Microsoft Project might be better suited for organizations with extensive project management needs. Smartsheet. A cloud-based platform that combines elements of project management and spreadsheet software. Smartsheet offers a flexible approach to work management. Both Wrike and Smartsheet provide features like task assignment, Gantt charts, and reporting. However, Smartsheet might be more suitable for teams that require a high degree of customization. Section 4. Niche Tools. ClickUp. A relatively new player in the market, ClickUp offers a wide range of features and integrations. While Wrike provides a more traditional project management experience, ClickUp might be a good choice for teams looking for a highly customizable and feature-rich platform. Podio. A flexible platform that can be adapted to various workflows, Podio offers a modular approach to project management. While Wrike provides a more structured experience, Podio might be better suited for teams that require a high degree of customization and flexibility. So what is Wrike similar to? As we've seen, Wrike shares many similarities with other popular project management and collaboration tools. The best choice for you will depend on your specific needs, team size, and preferences. Whether you're looking for a simple tool, a highly customizable platform, or a comprehensive suite of features, there's likely a Wrike alternative out there that's a good fit. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Wrike or its alternatives, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time.